welcome back to Home Sweet Home. Today we come up with a beautiful house. This house built on a 6-cent plot in Kerala. The structure is built in box-shaped style to utilize maximum space. The charm of white hue fills both interiors and exteriors of the house. The Fundamax paneling in the beautiful claddings on the outer wall set the perfect contrast against the elegance of the white color. Meanwhile, natural stones have been paved on the front yard. The magnificent house, designed in 2,308 square feet area, has a sit-out, living area, dining space, 4 bedrooms, kitchen with work area, upper living space and an open balcony as well. The arrangement of spaces in the semi-open theme and the use of lighter shades of hues make the interiors look extremely vast and spacious. The main door is built of exquisite teak planks. Most of the furniture pieces were made on the site, as per the designs given by the family. A wonderful combination of white vitrified tiles and wooden flooring adds classy charm to the interiors. The dining table is extremely simple, with a glass top paved on GI frame. Meanwhile, GI tubes have been used on the handrails of the stairway. The wash area is arranged beneath the stairway, and this is a fine example of amazing space management. The bedrooms designed in unique themes are comfortable and look spectacular as well. The head side walls are highlighted using attractive shades of colors. The cement texture finish that spreads to the ceiling is the most eye-catching feature in one of the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are bath attached and have wardrobe units as well. The kitchen is furnished in the stylish white and wooden theme. Meanwhile, the cabinets are made in multi-wood with auto paint finish. Nano white is being paved on the countertop. Besides, there is an adjacent work area as well, which increases the utility factor of the kitchen. The family is excited that they got the house of their dreams. They say their guests are impressed by the spacious interiors and the amazing facilities, which often makes them forget that the house actually stands on a 6-cent plot. We hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment in the box your feedback and opinion about our videos.